How to refund a customer in QuickBooks. So here from the left hand side, I'm simply going to click on New, and then we want to select the option for Refund Receipt. Once selected, it will load a new page here, and we can choose the customer by clicking on this drop down menu, and I will use the sample customer here. You can also add their email here if it doesn't automatically fill it out for you, as well as the payment method. So for example, here for the payment method, if it was cash, we will choose cash. And refund from, this is important. We click on it and we will click on the refund option that we want to use. So here it will load up our balance. So make sure your balance is enough to refund them. And then here we can type out the product or service. So why we're giving them a refund, for example, for services, we can type out the description here. So the reason why they are receiving this refund. So for example, not satisfied, and then the rate here. So this is also very important. So how much money are we actually going to refund them? So if I do 20, you will see this total 20, total amount refunded 20. And we can also add other services here by clicking on add lines or clear all lines here. We can reset this if we have made any mistakes. Now we can also add a message displayed on refund receipt and message displayed on the statement, as well as any attachments here. By clicking, we can add them. So after we have done this, we will click on this menu here, this drop down menu, and we can save and close or save and send. And basically that's how you send a refund to your customers on QuickBooks. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.